Right. Next question is, do you think the reshoring trend will fizzle out? Um, it's quite interesting to think about whether that's going to happen. I think we draw a lot of confidence that we think that this could be a multi-decade trend. And we draw that confidence from the fact that it's actually started quite a long time ago. The idea that right now what we're seeing in terms of the fragmentation of the world, deglobalization, trade wars, and wars are kind of a new thing in the last year or two. It's actually not true. It's been going on for, I would say, maybe between 7 to 10 years already. And that means the trend is really ingrained already. The share of world trade, you can see that kind of, it's a lot of globalization type metrics have topped out. And they topped out 5 years ago. And so we like trends that maybe the market wasn't aware of, but actually started way earlier than everyone thought. That means they have durability, they have roots in a way. And then what we're seeing is things just getting worse and worse. Of course, you had the pandemic, but supply chains continue to be hampered. This year and in the last sort of 12 months alone, you've had the Suez Canal, a drought in the Panama Canal, and the unfortunate the Baltimore Bridge disaster. All of these things are affecting supply chains for companies. And the decision really in the boardroom is, well, when I'm going to build my next manufacturing facility, should I really be doing it abroad? And a lot of them are making the decision to build that manufacturing facility in the US. There is a boom in manufacturing construction in America right now. It's been written about a bit in Wall Street Journal and places like that, but probably not nearly enough. We're building at a record pace new manufacturing facilities across future types of technologies like battery technologies, semiconductors, electric vehicles. And that's really a powerful driving force that's going to be with us for a while. And then you've got the government as an accelerant. And as I said before, there's bipartisan support for this. So I think that over time, these forces are going to stay in place as macro forces and these geopolitical forces. They don't really go away overnight. Once they get ingrained, a new trend forms, and this can be multiple decades long. And a lot of other investors are waking up to this and seeing who are the winners. And a few prominent investors have started to mention this as a theme. So we think that it's got legs and it's probably not going to fizzle out anytime soon.